Are you looking for a way to increase your KDP book sales? I have a solution for you. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I'll be giving you tricks and tips on how to find profitable niches and keywords. The first step is to pick your niche. So where I usually get my niches is through this site called Creative Fabrica. It's a website where you can get Kindle Diary Publishing interiors. There are over 3,839 interiors. So what I do is I come here, I scroll. It gives me ideas on the niches that I can create a book for. For example, you can see this is a daily journal planner. You also have a Christmas alphabet book. There's Christmas coloring pages. So this website just gives me a general idea of the niches that I can target, but how I narrow down the niches is by going back to Amazon. Let's take for example Christmas coloring pages. We'll go back to Amazon, and it's by going to Amazon and typing Christmas coloring pages. So Christmas coloring pages. Click enter, and the rule of thumb here is to have less than 10,000 results. If they're less than 10,000 results, that means you have a shot at getting your book to the first page using ads. So this is one niche that you can target. Let's search for another niche. Let's do a human body anatomy activity book. Let's go back to Amazon. Human anatomy activity book. So this too is less than 10,000 results. That means it's also a good niche. And the amazing thing about it is all the interiors are right here. So if you decide that that niche, if you validate the niche and you see that it's worth going in for, is worth creating a book, all you need to do is come here down. Of course, you have to pay. You pay and down. When you pay, you download the interior, slap a book cover on it. You can get book covers from Vexels. These are already ready-made book covers, or you could request your own book cover to be made, but you must be a member to request as well as a member to download book covers. So there are several book covers that you can use. The first step was getting the niche. You get the niche through Creative Fabrica, as well as you can download the interior from Creative Fabrica, but it can become very expensive if you have many books to create. So I advise that you get the plan. So if you want a plan, come to subscription, and on this page you can get, these are the plans that are available, but the most popular plan is this one, $29 per month, and you can have access to all of these crafts right here. You can have access to the interiors. It's not just KDP interiors that are available here. Graphics, home crafts, knitting patterns. There's a whole lot of things that you can make use of with the $29 per month plan. You have access to everything. You're free to use and download anything. So I think it's a great opportunity for KDP publishers. So after you found your niche and your interior, you can get the book cover from Vexels, or you request one, but you must be a member. The next step is to That's the fourth step, is to go to Publisher Rocket and see, I already searched for this. So go to Publisher Rocket. Rocket is one of my favorite tools for getting my keyword as well as validating the niche. So the first step of validating the niche was to go to Amazon and search the number of results. If it's less than 10,000, then the niche is worth targeting. The next step of validating is coming into Publisher Rocket, typing in the keyword and clicking on Analyze. I clicked on Analyze and it gave me a completion score of 80 and average monthly earnings of $9,000. And what amazes me is that people are searching for this on Amazon, so it is actually a book that you are sure that if you create, you're gonna make money. So here are the keywords that you can target. Like I said in my previous video, if you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna link it up. A link is gonna pop up and you click it and watch it. But I'm just gonna summarize it in this video. What you do is screenshot. I'm using Mac. It's Shift Command 4 and screenshot the keyword. Once you've screenshotted it, go to this website, OCR onlineocr.net, and upload the file you just screenshotted. Then convert, and here you have all your keywords that you can use on your back end as well as for advertising. So once you've gotten your keywords, the next thing is publishing. Another favorite tool I like using is Flying Upload. If you're a subscriber, you've already heard me talk about Flying Upload a lot, both for KDP and merch. But this one is for KDP. What you do is get your, if you're using Vexels, if you're using a cover from Vexels, all you do is click it, click load, upload the cover, the interiors. So go to your settings, click on manuscripts, you upload it from there. You upload your interior from there, and once you've uploaded it, just fill the title, subtitle, description, keywords, and every other thing, and you upload. It's always advisable to see what your competition is doing or the bestseller, see what they're doing and do something better. So just come here to Publisher Rocket, click on competition. The first page you see is the book that is the bestseller in that niche. So can you imagine that this book is making over $16,000 per month? So this is pretty amazing, and you have all the tools in your hands to make a book similar or even better than the one that is selling this much. So if you want to see the categories that this book falls under, all you need to do is click see categories, and you can see the various categories. If you want to upload your book to KDP, you use these categories. Or even when your book has already been uploaded and you want to change the categories, you can come here and use these categories. So in this category, to be a bestseller, you need to sell 193 books, and to be a bestseller number 10, you need to sell 12 books. So 12 books is attainable to be bestseller number 10. So that's not too bad in this category. So that's how you get your categories. And let's go to the title. This is, if you want to see the book itself, just click here on check it out. It's gonna bring you back to this book. See, it's a bestseller. So this is the title that the person used. This is the description. This is the description. The pricing is very important. I cannot stress on how much this is important. So if you want to make a book better than this bestseller, I will advise that you reduce the price. That will encourage people, will incentivize people to buy your book instead of this bestseller. But in the future, when your book has made enough sales and you have enough ratings, you can increase the pricing of the book. Your cover also matters a lot. That's why I advise you to use Vexels, because they're professionals when it comes to designing. For merch, they do both for merch and they do for KDP too. So it's a win-win for you if you have a subscription. I went straight for the lifetime subscription because I knew that I was going to be utilizing resources both for KDP as well as for merch. This is the merch section. So there are several designs that you can just download and upload to merch. But this is not a merch video. I'm talking about KDP. So I'm going to go back to the books. If you have a plan or subscription, all these books are available to you. You can download and just upload straight to Amazon, as well as you can get your interiors from Creative Fabrica and just upload it into Flying Upload and upload it to KDP. So guys, if you're interested in checking out all these websites on the tools, all of the links are found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about anything related to Kindle Direct Publishing and print on demand merch, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.